through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to stop, but I still love you like I do.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be doing a room tour, and guys, this room tour has been so anticipated on my YouTube channel. Like, Vivian, where's the room tour? Vivian, our room tour. Vivian, is December. Vivian, is January. Vivian, is February. Today I am finally going to be filming my room tour. But guys, let me tell you, I have filmed this video twice. This is my third attempt. First time was in my old room, but I was upgraded. I would like to thank POP Arts for upgrading my room to a single room. So today I partnered with them to show you guys everything and let you know where I am staying. And this is a very beautiful place. I'm very blessed to be staying here. But before we continue with this video, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, guys, YouTube has been trifling. Anyway, let us get to the room tour, and do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and you know, I'll see you guys. So when you open my room, the first thing you're going to see by your right is the bathroom.
Missing someone, is as normal. Missing someone, and missing someone.
And to my left, you have like my mini kitchen space. There's a general kitchen in this dorm, but they provided everyone with like a mini kitchen space where you can make breakfast, do your dishes, all that good stuff. When you move from the kitchen area, by your right, you have my wardrobe. Guys, I'm so playful, but like seriously, yeah, you have my wardrobe. And I really like the way it was set up. Oh, by the way, I just had to put this here because there was no space, but I really like this YouTube pillow. Like and subscribe, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Also, when you're done with the wardrobe, you move to my bed space. You have the mirror to the side because I feel like this is just the perfect place to put it. So I have this mirror that I got from a store called Untitled. Pretty good. I really like the design, the silvery stuff. It kind of goes with the room, I guess. It was quite pricey, I'm not even gonna lie, but yeah, it's worth it, and I'm gonna sell it before I leave. So once you leave that area, you have my mini parlor. I call it my mini parlor, so yeah, let me leave. This is where I have my breakfast, lunch or dinner, whatever I'm eating. This is where I work as well. And you just have my laptops, iPad, phone remote, a plastic cup where I put my memory cards and my glasses because your girl is legally blind. So once you leave this area, no, you don't even leave this area. So beside the side, you have my bed where I sleep. So it's nothing special, just the normal stuff. The duvet and the bed sheets were provided by the dormitory, so I didn't have to do too much. Above my bed, you have this painting, and this was one of the reasons why I fell in love with this dorm in general. The fact that every room has a painting or some sort of design, and that just enables you not to do too much. Like, you don't have to overdo like the whole room design thing, because this already it's quite loud. It has a very vibrant feel to it, and yeah, I really love the painting, and it says art because I am a work of art. You feel me? Come here. I'm doing the most right now. So after that, you have some candles and some room scents because like your girl loves a good smell. And yeah, that pretty much concludes this area. So here is like my workspace, my second workspace. And basically this, I really like the fact that this room is spacious in this area because it helps me get work done on time. So for example, if I want to film, all I just have to do is drag it, and when I'm done, it's very easy. Like, that's why I like it. So I have just two soft boxes. I ordered this off Amazon and my friend brought it here for me. I didn't buy this here. And then I have my tripod, my camera, and then this box light. Let me quickly show you. So I got this box light here. Actually, I got this from Photos. I cannot remember how much because it's been like 2 years or so. So that concludes this area. So once you come here is my view, and then once you leave this area, you come to my third workspace, and that is my reading table, which I have turned into something else. So once you come to my reading area, you have to the right, this is where I store some of my books, and then you have these two beautiful frames, this picture frames, and one is the Eiffel Tower, and the other one is, I think, a building in Dubai, I'm not sure, and I got both of them from the pound store. And then you have this flower vase that I got from the pound store as well, and then you have this basket that I got from the pound store. I like it a lot because all I just had to do was shove all my powders, bronzers, everything in there. And then you have this brush holder. I call it a brush holder, I don't know what it is. I got 3 actually from the pound store, so I used 2 to store my brushes. Once you leave that area, you have this stand. I don't know if it's attached. I think it's attached to the wall. I decided to put this bag here because, like, guys, can we just, it's so pretty. Like, I really like this bag. It's aesthetically pleasing and it was gifted to me by my friend. So I just like the fact that it adds a bit of bouginess to the room, you feel me? So once you leave here, you have another basket that I got from the pound store as well. I just put my eyeshadow palettes, my face kit, my highlighter kit, yes, some eye stuff and some face stuff there. And guys, just see how easy it is. So all I do is I just carry this to my reading table where I do my makeup, and when I'm done, I just put it back. Let's go down. Yeah, go down low. So now you have this case. Was actually meant to put like plates and stuff, but I use it to keep my foundations so I can reach for them easily. This is the third holder I told you guys about, and I store all my sunglasses here. Just above where I keep my shoes, you have my television, or the dorm's television. It's actually not mine because when I go, like, I'm gonna leave it with them, so it's not mine, it's for them actually. So you have like the dorm's TV, and it's really big. It's actually the biggest TV we have in all the dorms. Like, all the dorms come with smaller TVs, so this is actually the biggest. So I just really like the fact that it is placed just in front of my bed, so whenever I wake up I can just watch TV, watch myself. So just above that you have some storage space, and this is where I keep my hair stuff and some of my filming equipment. And then you open the second storage space, you have, this is where I put my handbags, school bags, my badminton rackets. Yeah, I don't know why you wipe it here, like, I don't know why this is here though. Let's go to the third one. As I was saying, the third one, you just have some of my towels, my robes, my throw pillows, my iron, some sweatpants, sweatshirts, scarves, apron, just random stuff basically. So that concludes my room tour. So right now I'm going to take you guys to on the ground floor, where we have the gym, the laundry room, the restaurant. The cinema room is not open. Some of their facilities are not open right now, but I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys the ones that are open. And before I go to the underground floor, I'm going to stop at the general kitchen. Let's go. So this is the general kitchen where we throw around the breakfast, the lunch, the dinner, everything.
1,000 words ain't enough to define the body up, yeah. Got her look and she wants it bad. She's firing up that body up, yeah, babe. You think that I want you, but nah, babe. You're 1 in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace. Don't take it too personally, yeah. My fault, my bad. The word's out, but you aren't ready for it. Show off, appearance of I got it, but I can't.
So we're currently on the ground floor, so I'm about to take you guys to the gym and show you guys what's up there. So let's go. So this is the gym, guys. Coming. Do you work here?
Yeah, like kind of.
Kind of.
Part-time, I'm a part-time worker.
I'm a YouTube vlogger, so I just came to show them. I stay here, so
Okay.
yeah, my card.
From
You-
Instagram.
You know me?
Yeah, I saw you on Instagram.
Really? What's my name?
I don't, but I recognize your face.
Really?
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Okay, so this is the gym.
Missing someone. Is as normal. Missing.
So this is currently the washroom, and this is just where we do our laundry and all that stuff. So guys, that concludes this video. I hope you guys like it. I wasn't able to show you guys the cinema room, the game room, and the restaurant because they're still like putting everything together. It's not officially open to the public or to us, the residents here. So probably in an updated vlog, I'm going to show you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, every other good stuff. Hey. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm just going to hit you guys with a montage. Peace.